Hi there! Today lesson we are going to learn to calculate area of a circle. I'm not going to explain the reason behind. You can find a lot of really useful video clips on YouTube how and why the formula is the formula which we are going to talk about it in a minute. So let's have a look. So this is a circle and I have drawn here on the circle the radius. Now we know radius, just a quick reminder, radius is a straight line comes from the center of the circle and join the circumference. Okay, why this is important? Because the area of a circle is actually pi times radius. Now, I'm sure you remember pi is the most agreed number which we use on maths is 3.142, which is rounded number to 3 decimal places. And to make our life a bit easier, as you remember maybe, I say a lot, in maths we like to make everything shorten. So instead r times r, we are going to use r squared. So, area of a circle is pi times r squared. Please pause the video, make a note of this page. 3, 2, 1. So have a look at an example. Okay, so here I gave you already, again, just a reminder, pi is 3.142. Okay, and on the diagram, as you can see, is given a number. So the first thing to do is on the number, label this. On the diagram, label this number. Now we check what line represented by this number, so we know this will be the radius of a circle. So we remember the next thing is you check again the worded part of the question and you underline key information. So again, we underline pi equal 3.142 thousandths, and we need to find an area of a circle. So the first thing you write down to yourself a reminder what is area of a circle, which is pi r squared. Now I have r only, I don't have r squared. So remember r squared is r times r. So what I do, 7 squared equals 7 centimeter times 7 centimeter, which is going to be 49 centimeters squared. Now this is really important to remember to write down the units in your calculation, because in this case you won't make mistake. So you will always give a correct unit answer. Okay, now we can use this information and this given information here to substitute into our formulae. So area equal 3.142 thousandths times 49 centimeters squared. Of course, feel free to use calculator, and the answer is going to be 153.96 centimeters squared. Now let's have a look at an example which is a tiny bit different. So here on this example, as you can see, my diagram is a bit different. So have a look. Here I have given a radius. Here I have given a diameter. I'm really sure all of you know this already. Diameter is a straight line in the circle which goes through the center of the circle. All right, so I put for you here a written reminder. Now, most of the time you need to remember this, that diameter is actually twice as long as a radius. This will be really important in a minute. So the next step is remember key information. So I underline pi equal 3.142. And I need to find an area of a circle. So now the next step, you write down the formula in your book. So area equal pi times r squared. So now we have a problem because we need r, but we have diameter. And because I told you diameter is twice as a radius, we know what's going to be one radius. If a diameter is 10 centimeter, half of the 10 centimeter is 5, isn't it? So the radius is going to be 5 centimeter. And now we can figure out what would be the r squared. R squared is 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter, which is 25 centimeters squared. And now what I'm going to do, the next step, substitute into my formula all of the given information. So area is equal to 3.142,000 times 25 centimeters squared. And again, feel free to use calculator, and I'm sure your answer will be the same like mine, which was 78.5500 centimeters squared. Feel free to pause the video, write an example in your book, digest it, and I'm pretty sure this will help you to be able to work out another questions. Thank you for watching.